Okay, great, great.
Incomplete in the structure of things. Now, in this coming to this point, traditional and digital marketing. What is the difference by traditional and digital marketing? Why people nowadays interesting for digital marketing? Most of the focusing, what is that main reason? The reason is called we can reaching for global audience sitting in one place. If you're sitting in local place, I can promote any kind of countries like this global market. Not only for is a local, is a complete for global market. In this complete global market, how to reach? So in this global market, how to reach that all kind of scenario is a one platform is called website. There is a digital marketing. If you come into traditional market, if you give the paper ad, radio, TV ads, text will be paper, voice will be radio, TV will be video and voice. So we can selecting for three kind of platforms for running the ads purpose. But here, if we can play the video, text, and any kind of content, images, is only one kind of platform is called digital marketing. So that is the main reason to advertise only for one platform we can select. We can advertise by the n number of countries. But the traditional market is a complete for local market. The specified is only for local audience. For example, if we are into in Hyderabad, for suppose, can I go for traditional market? Can I give ad into US? It is possible.
For traditional, it's not possible, and digital is possible.
Yeah. So that is the reason I can promote anywhere into the entire global is a one solution we can give to the audience. That is the option we can give by the which one? Digital marketing. That is the whole life cycle will be like this. Organic market, paid, mobile marketing, reporting. Nowadays, mobile marketing is called making apps and promotions. A lot of things are into coming to market. But website is the first preference. Second thing is called your apps are will be second preference option. So how it is happening, this all kind of scenarios, organic, paid, mobile marketing, reporting, that all kind of scenario we can learn from the digital marketing. Simple example. Ajay, I have one question. Can I ask a question?
Yes, sir. Why not? Definitely.
A simple thing. Suppose you can publish one ad into the market. Okay. That ad, we can publicity for 100 members they're watching for that ad. So how many people you can receive the call from your particular ad? Maybe 100 out of we can receive by 20 and 30 calls. Why?
Yes.
Which is required that lead, we can reach in the particular audience. Maybe that reaching also based on the price, they will be hold maybe. But we can convert into leads only. Our option is called, we always, when people will be searching, you always will be top position purpose.
Definitely.
If your example, you can selecting incognito window. Anybody searching for digital marketing company in Madhapur. First just did Suleika here. And after that, my company will be first position. Nowadays, I'm down onto the Madhapur. Why? Because I have to skip for the Madhapur location due to some other reasons. So they come into this, my website will be top position. Why it is coming to top position? I have to do the SEO for this particular keyword. Suppose if I'm searching for add another word, top digital company in Madhapur. See this one. My position will be not in top 10. Just I'm adding one word.
Yes.
So best digital marketing training institute, the company in Madhapur. You can come into this one. Not like that. See this. We can go to second page. It is available on our second page. You can check it out. So best and top, I'm into second page. Next, best and top. Okay. Here, company replace. I'm adding for services. You can check it out here. This is all nothing but SEO. See this. I'm into top 10. Top 10. I am into always top one. That is the purpose we have to do the market. Right now, I'm the based on location, which the market will be defined by, you can promote will be this ads will be everything will be dependent by the company ads services. People, some people will click from the agency. People how to think, we don't give the guarantee. 100% people how to research and how to search in Google. The one and only person will be identified. They can do the market. The person name is called search engine optimizer. 100 people person how they will be searching Google. Not only 100, I'm give an example that how they will be, people will search in Google, that all you can think and work from the search engine, that is the work will be SEO, search engine optimizer. That is a mainly focus about the work to show your website always top position purpose. Top 10 or top 1. What is your options? We can hear. Not only this website, we can come into this painters in Hyderabad. I have painting websites are there. Shine, Urban Company, Apka Painters, Painting Walls, Color Drive. So these are the number of companies are here. So every website is I'm handling with this website. What are the website we are handling everything? That all website will be showing always top position purpose. Like people searching for house painters in Hyderabad. People searching will be different kind of keywords. They how to search, we don't get any idea. But people searching will be different kind of keyword. You always first position purpose. People searching for house, home, residential. Depend on business, depend on the keywords. That all will be analyzed. That is the first option name is called search engine optimization. That is a purely for organic market. That is social media or searching anything, the purely. So how we can optimize your website, what kind of keyword they will be search, how the people will be represent on your website, that all will be belongs to for organic market. This purely investment zero, just you are sharing knowledge and your website will be always top position purpose. That is the purpose of scenario. This is a first you can design a website. Search engine optimization we can do for free and paid marketing as social media. If you have mobile apps marketing, video and email marketing, final one is called affiliate marketing. That is the main purpose. This is a life cycle of digital marketing. One is job. Second will be online earnings. Third will be freelancer. Fourth will be entrepreneur. But anything, the first option is called career by the job option. In this particular platform, website design will be two kind of things. Or one is the one we can first option is called free website, paid website. Free websites are there, Blogger, WordPress. Here, so many options are in free websites. If you are providing for free hosting and everything, that the one of the website is called profreehost.com. Domain and hosting, everything will be free.
Oh,
Here you can everything you will be practice WordPress and HTML, anything you can practice. But the domain name not showing for .com, they're showing for some other extension. Not they not give the domain will be free domain is called, not .com will be not providing free. As the GOUT rules, we not providing for .com is a free domain. So they give some extension will be little bit. If you come into the login, in this platform, you can design n number of websites. You can create account. So why they can give the free is called they're earning money from where?
money from
By ads.
Google AdSense.
So these are the extension. Liveblog365.com, Unex, EZYRO.com. Or else free one, Google product one is there. That is a blogger.com. Blogger.com. Second will be free one is called WordPress.com. I think you know some idea about these two things, I think.
Yes, it's WordPress and Blogger. Yes.
Yeah, this one. As I'm making free website, if you want, I will explain once again also this free website about Blogger and WordPress that I will show you. And profreehost.com also I will visible how to making a website. These are the servers. You're making a free hosting for your particular making a website purpose. This is a hosting, and your complete package will be free. There's unlimited space, no limited space, unlimited disk space, bandwidth, database, control panel, easy control panel, website builder, 100% free, no hidden cost, no free subdomain, 99% uptime, no forced ads. In this one website, making a daily the 100 to 200 website will be practice purpose we can give to our students. This is very flexible to the HTML developers, their practice purpose. But as our developers, we can making easy to understand website is called. This is a WordPress. I will help easily by to learn the things about the each and every step how to making a website. This is complete understanding only for when you understanding website design, people easily understand. So that is the purpose. I'll give the one task to my website. This all will be practicing for my students. So they're into practice by different kind of websites. So they're uploading the content will be here. They all will be. They do some mistakes that will be clarified by ourselves. Simple. Today, one person will put a content. What will happen? We'll got this error. So how to encounter, I'll give the one task for the students. So that is a resolved by the student itself. So how much is I'll give the some per certain time, 1 day, 1.5 day. So they will fix the issue. They come back to the with the work. So this kind of task will be given by the SEO. SEO, how we can search and optimization social links appear on the Google. So what kind of URL structure will be create good. So how we can contentivity. Suppose we'll share the content, how to reaching the audience by using for social media icons. That all we can understanding the things. The total of life cycle will be like this. So this is complete represent by the audience is a total life cycle about the digital market model of the task. First, design website to up to your do for self-earning purpose. Yeah, are there any questions in this? If you have any question, you can ask me.
No, right now I don't have any kind of question, sir.
Yeah. So everything is clear. What I'm teaching, everything.
Yes, sir, definitely. Why not?
Yeah. So any kind of search engine is a depend on your selecting keywords. You can show your top position. One people asking one question is that always I'm taking from the experienced person also. So already some people is in already market. So we are coming to newly into market. So how we can optimize my website will be top position. Any new website you can optimize on Google through SEO, search engine optimization. It will take time for minimum 2 months to 4 months based on the keyword search. Some keyword will taking for 1 year also. That is a low search volume keyword, medium search volume keyword, and high search volume keyword. What is the high, low, medium? Low nothing but less people search that particular keyword. Suppose one keyword is there, customer training in Hyderabad. The people will searching for less people. They're showing for less audience. It is a medium in between the high and low. That is a medium audience. High search. People searching for per hour 100 members, 200 members is high search volume keyword. Based on competitor, we can website will be showing for top position purpose, minimum taking time 6 months to 1 year. Suppose you are good in YouTube, mobile apps, and social media, all kind of platforms, you usually keep it on the top will be within 6 to 8 months of time. That is a high search volume keywords. So I'm coming to market. I'll show my website will top position within the 2 months. That is impossible. That is the only one option is called ads. That is the search engine marketing. You can pay some amount, get the leads from Google, but that also will be nowadays complicated to every audience. Some people will be spending for 1 lakh, they receive by the 20 to 30 calls max. We give the so many ads will be to customer minimum 2,500 per day. You are spending amount. They can getting clicks, but not getting for leads. This kind of appearance will be given by the ads. So which is the best one is called always focus about the SEO. First, you can search will be low search value keyword. Minimum leads you can cover. After that, you can cover into the medium search value. After, you can go with high search value keywords. That will be help getting for more leads. Minimum leads you can start. You will be sacrifice will be minimum leads will be converted. So we can go to market by each and every search value keywords. That all will be which is the low search value, which is the high search value. They will be identify the Google AdWords option. That is mainly will be focused about the ads purpose and SEO purpose also. But here SEO, little bit changes will happen when writing will be coding. Compared to the ads and SEO, little bit difference. The difference I'll show you into the class. So that is the main thing is called dependent two option is called SEO. One is SEO on page, second will be SEO off page. When you are do this will be perfect. You will be good from the SEO will be that is a complete structure will be like this. This overall 13 points will understanding about the SEO on page, auditing implementation. There's a different scenarios are there. That all scenarios we can know about the SEO on page scenario. That is the overall digital marketing website design is the first part. Second part, that website is a free or paid. How we can show your Google first position purpose that is implemented by the search engine optimization. That is called SEO. In this, on page is the main priority. That is this one. This PP I'll share by your email or your WhatsApp also. Once read it. So this is a complete scenario. We have to understand about the SEO. So how we can writing the coding structure from SEO, from the static website, dynamic website, and WordPress. This all we can discuss one by one into SEO point of view. That all will be meta tags, meta keywords, meta description, always using for all tag, header tag, anchor text, robot canonical URL, and robot.txt file, and XML sitemap, how to using for redirections, 403 forbidden, what is mean that? What is the 404 in this simple example?
Yes,
This is nothing but 404 error. So how to rectify this error? We can
yes,
explain about it.
there are code is available, and another option is just redirect that 404 to our home page or contact us. Both is
Yeah,
good.
there are two things. One is called if enter any wrong URL, they read it from the same page will be a whole from the one content. Suppose in a home page you're writing for some other URL, they will be stick for home page. Suppose Amazon related website after .in you enter something, they will show will be one search button like looking for something. This is one of the 404 will create a different peoples will create will be different options. Suppose if you go for any other website in WordPress, yeah, this is a WordPress temple website. If you have something right, they will show like this. This will be plugin.
Yes.
WordPress, PHP, HTML, lot of different changes that all I can discuss with you, Ajay. No need to worry about that one. Just I'm explaining about the overall structure of the digital marketing, what I'm teaching, which that will be real time will start by tomorrow. But I'm given by total structure of the what I'm teaching. In this, anything I'm missing, you can ask me. I'll clarify the doubts. There's nothing will be everything will be a clear steps. I'll follow and I'll give the complete real-time scenario.
That's great. That's great.
The practice purpose, I'll give one cPanel also, live cPanel. This is a live website, is a dummy cPanel. Just for practice purpose, you can practice complete on page. What are the code you or the bug is error? I'll rectify it. I'll show you with you. The cPanel will give you can practice purpose.
Okay.
So that will help easily you can practice.
Great, sir.
So that is a one question. So this is a complete for on page, Ajay. So on page, what is this? I'll explain everything real time. Before that, I'll share some videos You can see that one video also. And SEO off page, how we can using for this all kind of things, which is useful and how it is happening. Everything I can explain by the one by one option, which is paid backlinks, which is the free backlinks. That all will be we can discuss one by one into SEO off page. After that, lot of changes in social media, how it is using social media, what is the earning techniques, that all we can discuss into social media also. Everything pin to pin we can understanding for real-time scenario in your particular SEO structure. So this is about your particular social media platform. How to using for Google Maps, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. This all we can discuss about one by one. How to utilize and how to earning money from that. That all will be we can discuss in the social media market. So thoroughly you can read this PPTs. If any one by one we can discussion, we can clarify each and every doubts, Ajay.
Yes, it's great, great, so great.
So one is one SEO, one is a SEO page. Facebook and everything, they don't have any PPTs. Why? Because there is a every day will be a lot of changes. So recently, some of the peoples are facing one problem, Facebook. What is the problem is
Account
called?
error.
Your
Account
Facebook
error.
page is converted into the Facebook profile. So these all will be converted automatically will be Facebook profile one. What will happen? So when you click here, we can unable to share this content into a particular page. What we can do this? Simple. This is the additional page. We can go to second one is called classic page. This is a regarding purpose. A lot of people worry about my page is something is going on. My Facebook page is not working. My content will be not properly done. So they will be thinking will be different scenarios.
Great.
So that is the kind of things will be discussed into the social media. So this all will be what I'm. This all will be my clients' social medias. I'm maintaining for 4,000 Facebook pages. That all
Oh,
will be
four
different.
thousand, 4,000.
Yeah, 4,000 pages. I'm into
Oh,
political background and all kind of things. So which is useful scenarios they we can utilize by the users. So every page will be different scenarios that they will use. So what will happen? We can go to the anyone into classical pages. So these all scenarios we can go to these options and use the things will be different options. So any kind of changes will be happen. That is the first preference is called your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. These all option we can give to the particular audience.
great, 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 really great.
So clear, Ajay? So by tomorrow we'll start by the website design development, Ajay. That I'm start
Yes,
by the
yes,
tomorrow
yes,
onwards.
yes,
I'll
definitely.
share some PPTs with you. Just read out and that you can see the videos. Also, some videos I'm sharing with your WhatsApp. Just watch it. Tomorrow I'll start by 8:30 in your time. I'll start by
Yes,
the
yes, definitely.
videos. I'll start with a new website design and development. I'll start with you. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll start with the
Basically, sir,
blogger and what.
okay, okay. Sir, basically, what I am facing right now, we are just doing some quality SEO. Okay, we are not doing the client side project right now. I am working in one company, and the name of that company is FTA Technologies. And here I am just handling totally in-house projects. Not me, even my seniors, my team leader, all are. We are just doing only guest post activities right now, and nothing like business listing activities, profile creation activities, Web 2.0, 3.0. We are not doing those kind of activities.
So
But
what kind of do
with
the works will be done?
pardon
What is
again,
the website name?
like ftatechnologies.com.
Which can you explain once again?
Like you have just put ssl2buy.com.
SSL.
SSL2, SSL, then 2, numeric. Ah, yes, that one is.
So you are not place the ad also.
that is side, which one is like managed by my senior person, team leader.
So SSL by global SSL provider. You are only providing SSL services.
Yes, yes. Those all are like we have tie up with all those like brands. Cheap SSL certificate. Yes, we are ranking in Hyderabad. Maybe we are not ranking. Just just remove in India. Yes, buy SSL certificate. All those things we are ranking. And we are also like using some VPNs. Your like current target is in Hyderabad. We also like in ranking in US also, Canada also.
Yeah, that is using keyword only for this kind of keyword you're targeting for every users. So you're not target by country wise. You can target by the
Oh.
keyword wise only.
Yes, those all are like generic keywords, not a specific country target, not any kind of local SEO.
So same like that. There will be Oracle training company in that one. So, when people will be searching, your website will be always showing for top position. Searching will be in keyword also. So how the people will be searching for location wise, keyword wise, anywhere they will searching will be different mind of set. So some people will be searching will be country wise also. Their mind is different. Just I'm thinking. There's some negative example. Anything that is the your market will be based on the keyword based on location.
Yes.
So that we can follow. I'll explain. No need to worry, Ajay. Which is a strong is rated. I'll show you definitely. Which is content is more important. One is called article submission is one kind of content is providing. Medium websites are there and paid backlinks are there. But paid backlink nothing will be worked out. Those all will be direct to submission websites like folks page. So many have come into paid. So how many website free? Everything you can research and you can upload the content to the number of websites are there. SEO
Oh my.
off page is the SEO off page is nothing but not only for submission is done your website will top position is everything is a wrong one on page when clicks will be happen your website number of clicks how is happening for refer some other website if it's going to Tumblr Tumblr website.
Yes, yes. Social bookmarking website.
Yeah. So what is the purpose of this Tumblr? Links or post, image, video, number of things are there. Number will be
Fox. Yes.
this kind of website. So many are there. This kind of.
Those are
But
useful for
here,
like indexing purpose.
yeah, main thing is called, first of all, there is any kind of website, first preference is called proper URL structure. I'll promoting one website. It will be into the almost this many places. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Vizag, and Vizag is always top. I'm only one person doing this SEO from almost 5 years.
Oh, that's really
This
great.
many
Nice.
locations. That all will be depend on by the URL structure. The structures will be designed will be like this. So how many keywords, how many location, everything will be structure will be designed. The based on ID will be created by the audience.
Oh,
If
great.
anybody is searching this, all kind of keywords, not only for few keywords will be newly introduced by the websites. But all keywords, how will be showing for top position? That is a newly created by website. So when I click here, I'm always will be top 10 position.
Great, great.
So only one thing is called perfect on page. When you're done by your website, you always will be top position. Off page only for optimize will be referral websites, referral traffic. But on page always guru from your complete content. This will be not only like this. If you
Okay.
are coming to this, they need to give the schema programming also. This also I'm give to the explain about the
Mm,
schema algorithm. I think your website will be not there at the schema. I think
yes, we have schemas also.
schema is there.
Yes.
Sure. Where is your schema?
Maybe they just remove it.
Suppose I'll go the other page. Cost. So search for cost. They go to page. Nothing will go. The schema will be no. They removed your schema. Schema is the perfect optimize your ranking, your pages, and coding also. I'll show you that one all will be. No need to worry, Ajay. One day I can't give the complete scenario. I can't explain. I'll explain one by one into your day-to-day
Yes,
class. You can
definitely,
ask me any
definitely,
questions. I'll definitely give the proper output you. You can practice
definitely,
a
sir.
live cPanel and live website. I'll give the hosting, free hosting also. You will be practice. So I'll
Great.
share the some PPT. Once read it, I'll share the video also. You can read it and
Definitely.
we'll connect by tomorrow 8:30 and start your section. Okay.
Sir, basically, right now I am just doing running one Facebook ads campaign, okay, for my uncle, and
For
I am
reach or
just
awareness purpose
no,
or
just for lead generation purpose, from like Facebook, Insta, from not the landing page.
so lead form
That
nothing but you create any form or anything. You create any form.
I have created the form with the help of Facebook, Insta form.
Okay. The only you can download Excel sheet.
Um I have said, but with the help of like lead center, I just got the leads. But the recently in the month of this month August, I really got very few leads. Really got very few leads, and the cost per
That
leads
is
are
a,
very much
nothing
high.
but when you are coming to first time, they can generating so many leads. Later on, they will down by the every leads will be happen.
Oh my God!
That is a Facebook strategy. They are give your anytime you can do the same policy from every Facebook user. First time they will spend the amount will be lot of. They show some lead. You can spend some amount more. The automatic leads will be down to the Facebook. There is a market of Facebook. That is called. You can always go to focus about the reach campaigns. So you can most of the people you have to reach it. That's the first preference.
Okay.